So how to find and remove duplicate values using Excel 2016? It's actually very simple. You just need to select the column from where you want to remove duplicate rows and then click on remove duplicate tool from data tab. Let's take a practical example. So first of all, you can see I have a column and some duplicate rows or duplicate values. You can see Angry Bird and then duplicate value of Angry Bird, then Big Bird, duplicate row of Big Bird, Tweety Bird, duplicate Tweety Bird. Now if we want to remove those duplicate rows, first of all we need to select the column. Now we'll go to data tab, then remove duplicate option. Now we see remove duplicate dialog box has appeared. It says it will remove duplicate from column A as we selected column A. We agree, so we'll click on OK. Now the message box says us Excel 2016 found and removed 3 duplicate values. Simply hit OK and we are done. We can see in our column now we don't see any yellow color rows or values. It means all the duplicate values are now eliminated. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you think my video is useful then please hit the like button and share it in your social media accounts with your friends. And if you have any question, any suggestion or anything to tell me, you can always write in comment section. Finally, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Peace.